National Electrical Code Section 720.14b addresses situations where different wiring systems, such as 120 volts and 12 volts, may occupy the same enclosure, raceway, or cable. An exception exists if the wires of different systems are separated by a solid, continuous, and fire-resistant barrier. To comply with this exception, specific requirements must be met. Firstly, the 120 volts and 12 volts wiring systems must be physically separated by a solid, continuous, and fire-resistant barrier within the raceway. This separation is crucial to prevent potential hazards. Secondly, the barrier type is important. It can be a fire-rated sealant, a metal divider, or any other non-combustible material that prevents arc faults and short circuits. The key is to use a material that can effectively isolate the different voltage systems. For practical application, consider installing the 120 volts and 12 volts wires in different compartments within a junction box. Separate the compartments using a metal divider or a fire-rated sealant. Ensure that the barrier extends throughout the length of the raceway where the wiring systems are in proximity. This provides continuous separation and protection. It's important to always check with local building codes and the authority having jurisdiction for specific requirements. Local codes may have additional regulations or interpretations that must be followed. Also, ensure that any remote battery unit and lighting fixture have been designed and installed to meet the electrical ratings of the fixture. This ensures safe and reliable operation. Different voltage systems can occupy the same raceway if certain conditions are met. A solid, continuous, and fire-resistant barrier must separate the wiring systems. The barrier can be a fire-rated sealant, a metal divider, or another non-combustible material. The barrier must prevent arc faults and short circuits. Install the 120 volts and 12 volts wires in separate compartments. Use a metal divider or fire-rated sealant to separate the compartments. The barrier must extend throughout the length of the raceway. Check with local building codes and the authority having jurisdiction. Ensure the remote battery unit and fixture meet the electrical ratings. These steps ensure safe installation when working with different voltage systems in the same raceway. Always prioritize safety and compliance with electrical codes.